करने लगता कि कोई महिला काम नहीं करती थी, सब महिला गंदो काम करती थी और सब फोटो गई लिखे भी गए और झुटला दो कि कोई नहीं करता है, जैसा झूठी है, सब कोई गंदा काम करता है।
अब सरकार ने तो खूब कहा कि गंदगी का काम छोड़ दो, तो नहीं करोगे, वो छोड़ देंगे, हमको कुछ नहीं देंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे बाल बच्चे मोड़ा मोड़ी क्या खाएंगे।
2019 में सितंबर में पैसे मिले थे, तो उसमें छोटी सी दुकान डाली थी सर हमने किराने की। तो आज भी अपने यहाँ जातिवाद चलता है, छुआछूत चलती है, जितनी चली उतनी चलाई हमने, फिर बंद हो गई, अब घर ही में बैठते हैं, क्या करें सर। अब
40,000 में इतना हो गया फायदा कि सिर्फ बच्चे को बस सुविधा हुई है, उसकी फीस भरा गई है बस, और कुछ नहीं हुआ, ज़्यादा फायदा नहीं हुआ उसमें। बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है काम के लिए, काम मिल गया तो ठीक है, नहीं मिल गया तो फिर घर ही में है सब।
जमाने से रीत चली आई है सही, जब हमारे हाथ पांव थकात हो जाएंगे तो हमारी बहू करेगी, बहुअन की बहुएं आएंगी तो वे करेंगे।
More than 46,000 dry latrines are in active use in semi-urban and rural areas in India amid the pandemic of 2020 and 2021. This is true despite a strict ban over the years. Informal settlements in areas in West Bengal bordering Bangladesh have been found to still have many dry latrines and hanging toilets which the sanitation workers are forced to clean every single day. These are those remote areas where the scope of all surveys end, and corruption on the local level showcases a total lack of innovation and sanitation coverage. India's urban sanitation coverage reports are totally different and dominated with numbers of toilets constructed mainly because the government and the institutions are spending enormous amounts on construction rather than evaluating the value of service of these infrastructures. This means that the actual usage of toilets is not realistically reflected in the surveys because it is not combined with local community data. Have proper water coverage, and around 33,700 are completely abandoned amid the pandemic. The open defecation tag acts as one of the biggest burdens for the sanitation workers, as prevalence of dry latrines and poor sanitary toilets in rural areas are not given the importance despite an increase in the urban sanitation coverage. This is the time for the government and the institutions to not only find immediate measures to abolish these dry latrines, but also revisit and survey the sanitary toilets that they have been busy building, especially in rural India. The aim of the first session on 23rd May 2021, called the Socio-Legal Water and Sanitation Dialogue India chapter, is to understand the interconnectedness between water and sanitation, sanitation infrastructure, sanitation labor, and sanitation behavior in India. This is specifically to highlight the related crisis in India, mainly from a sociological and legal perspective.